This sleepover is gonna be so cool. Okay, so, so why did you invite us to the sleepover? Yeah, why did you invite us to the sleepover? Because I don't want to come here and I have to get my shower. Who invite y'all? It was him. It was me because also we're doing an interview. Maine. Your name is Maine? Yes, my name is Maine. Oh, you don't have to ask me. My name is Maine. Thank. And I'm leaving. What's your name? Taylor. Your name is Taylor? Yes, my name is Taylor, so you don't have to ask the problem. Okay. Don't get one of your side chicks, because I know you got side chicks. You roach. And I'm gonna do a TikTok. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Hold up. Make you do it. Hey, I'm gonna be It was supposed to be a bouncing challenge, so come on. Oh, come on, the yellow haired girl, I don't know what her name is. Okay, you wanna box? Stop. Violence is never the answer. Get up. I said get up. Don't. Oh my gosh. That's it. Why do I hear police sirens? Oh my god. Does it look like I care? I don't know nothing, girl, about no police sirens. So if there's a police siren, we're going to jail. And then police, put your hands up. Oh my god. Not this again. Wait, you're that old school from 3rd grade we snitch on. So why you acting like you're the police? I'm getting shot. No, I didn't mean to. No. Child, abuse. Okay.